How to export Canva projects as MP4 on PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open the project or video design you want to export as an MP4. You can also create a new video project by clicking Create a Design button and selecting a video format. Once your project is ready, click the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. In the pop-up window, choose MP4 video as your file type. If your project has multiple pages or video clips, you can select specific pages or leave it as all pages to export the entire project. Adjust additional settings if needed, such as animation duration, resolution, or looping options. Once everything is set, click Download. The MP4 video file will begin downloading to your PC. Depending on the size of your project and your internet speed, it may take a few moments. Once downloaded, you can open the MP4 file from your Downloads folder and share it on social media, upload it to websites, or use it in presentations. Now you know how to export Canva projects as MP4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.